I feel if we can, if it is possible somehow, which we are attempting through these conferences and various things, if we can bring the attention of qualified medical professionals, there are many systems of medicine in the world, but in today's world, because of their inability to organize themselves, they are all just fringe. If all the alternate systems of medicine are put together, I don't know if it is even accounts to 2%, I don't know the stat, I'm just guessing. It may be 2% or less. So essentially, it is the allopathic system of medicine. One important aspect which I feel small shifts are happening, but not enough to make a difference for the common people. One simple thing is, allopathic system is right now symptomatic in its treatment. You have a temperature, we know how to cool you down. You have pain, we know how to take away the pain. We don't have the thing of looking where is the source for this. This is costing a certain amount of illness. One important thing is, somebody that you don't like is driving in front of you and they put on their indicator, they're turning right. You take out… I'm from Tennessee. So you take out your revolver and shoot the indicator out. And now I think he's going straight. No, he's turning right. His indicator is out, so now I think he's going straight, but he's turning right, so there's going to be some issue. So this is the approach, we are treating the symptoms. I think from symptomatic treatment to a more cause-oriented treatment if we can shift, which may be difficult because medical industry and pharmaceutical industry have… you can't separate them. Because when you say medicine, it means that, all right? We are not saying health. We are not saying health, only these days people are trying to say healthcare because that is all the stuff that comes with it. But this is essentially medicine. This form or this way of looking at health systems in the world happened because when this system started evolving, the biggest threat was infectious ailments, diseases. There was plague, there was malaria, there was smallpox and this and that. So mainly allopathic system came up to combat them because they would wipe out the whole populations at one time. So in that context, they did the right thing. Even today, whatever people may say, I will 100% vouch, if you have anything infectious, you just treat yourself with modern medicine because that's a chemical warfare, not all good for you, but if you want to be well tomorrow, that's a way to deal with it. But seeking health through medicine is a very… not a go for me, not a go for anybody actually, because you will pay a price for that. Because all chemicals are trying to remove something. But there is no chemical… if I have pain here, there is no painkiller will go just here, it'll go on to kill everything. Pain is a very important part of our survival process. Most people don't have enough sense in the world that if they didn't have pain, they would cut themselves into pieces. Hello? Have you not seen all the new fashions, have you? They're piercing themselves here, there, everything, there's so much pain. If there was no pain, they would have pulled out their intestines and walked on the street using the stomach bag as a handbag. It's the pain which is limiting the fashion. And it is pain, if a bicycle comes, people step back, not out of humility. The consequence of pain. If the consequence of pain is removed, even if a truck comes, people will go like this. So they wouldn't even survive. So pain is a good thing. So don't kill the pain. What is the source of the pain? Must be seen. Why the indicator of pain is coming up, this must be looked at. Like this, I'm not trying to, like simplify the whole medical system, which is a complex process. So where one thing ends, it's not this versus that. Where one thing ends and the other thing begins. Our health should begin at home, our food, how we breathe, how we sit, how we stand. When something goes wrong, a doctor should come in. You must not have a doctor attending you right from your childhood to your grave. This is not the way it is. You don't need that.
But it is the way that we…
It is the way it is, because once you create an industry, you need clients.